Sky TV irakari abantu.
Wabale mnonga Sky TV irakari abantu ejun program yitu Nyamurungi no muhinji no mulisa program buli rwakana shaha 3 n'ekicweka amakanda tuba twagasimbira farm tugenda tugira kitwayigayo tukopa hati eje shaha ubundi kugambira nyemerire kuno muri ryanshana nguni ryanshana eyo kubanza kandi tuyo muri Kashenyi omuri Bushenyi district tuzakuba nituganira no mukugu nakora value addition omubitoke nahinga orutoke akamura mushandejo eiturukweta wine agitebekanisaje so tuzakuba nitugamba hari value addition system nimpango abukuba ahahunde hataruho na biogas yangira ngo nekwatagana nana rutoke bikuruga mu bizo mu rutoke rugaruka rigenda rukora mu wine bikurugo mu wine nacyo mu rutoke bino kubigarika bakakonectinga ekintu ni kimwe so naiza kutereza embozi Nyamurungi atugambire ibintu ebyo no kubikutambira obundi twaza kuruga kunuya tugire ekitwayega okuruga omuri Bushenyi nibanyeta Edmond Principal Farmer ndiyo muhinji atakwata mu itaka atwegiteho twakwakira Sky TV abariyoni bakureba baramusyeho rero cyotandike program yitu
amazina ndika Manzi Francisca popularly known as Gala ninga Gala wine ngo mukazi wa wine muri Bushenyi
mukazi wa wine naryo ntizida rya
abinji kuba kundi bagira ngo riya mukazi nuri n'umukazi wa wine so it tend to adding a value to bananas ninga shintongera umutindo aha bitoche
okay
nubwo utakamburize idea gitukaninga kiroteki tukagagwa tukine nk'abantu ku gire kitwiha omubitoje konka hije habaho muranga gwa government kubizira ni beta value addition to different agricultural products so ite twagagwa tukwasirwe omu program y'ebitoje so twasharamu umukwadinga value to bananas twasharamu kora banana wine eyabinji bakumanya nkagara wine
eyinde bo mukatale bulijo Gala wine ne imukaha
kabagarame mu supermarkets nangwana heri yihanga turiyo tuyirira ku konjera ku exporting if I may use the language we are seeing towards exporting this banana wine outside Uganda.
Okay.
Because as I talk now, we have the facility fully facilitated to do the wine and to make the best wine.
Na ikaha narebaho nashira mu biogas. Kando ineki wanshobora no rujegeri. Tutandikira ha biogas renye to mbitoke ni wanyangwe bitoke nibiza ufunamu ebikuzaje system wejo.
Okay, wajangu no rujegeri natakumbana ni cycle. It's a cycle in that hati egi fertilizer kurugo mu masha ayitwa irutwiha mu biogas ni bageta biosirare nango hati niyo turi kugaruka tukatwara mu rutoke tukiyamwe ibitoke the best yields nizo ibitoke birungi nibyo biri kutuhereza wine nungi bito aha this plant ya biogas ecurungi mwashanganye no mukugu these people always check on us mwashanganye no mukugu urukubasa kushoborera better about how the biogas works. Okay, sayiko twinente enteniz tuhamasha tugiye tuga feedinga plantage gija gashohora gari fertilizer. So fertilizer tugaruka tugigarura mu rutoke. So it's a cycle in that ni twine ekirisa cyebitoke. So first of all nabwe there is a need to have the cows. So twinente ezuru kuturetera twabona amasha wo kwihamu biosirare tukajigarura mu rutoke tukibone bitoke birungi hati bire bibumba bikurwa ebitwiho mu wine mbeno nkebika ebitwakwesire bikanje nabyo ntubishuka muri ya rena nebishubye bitoke nabyo ntubishuka mu biosirare ay mu mino mu biogas plant so bigaruka bituhereza fertilizer kandi yo kugarura kuri ya
bishubye bitoke kandi niba bicwanyagwire biri nko kubiri
ni twine machine iri kubicwanyagura twabitamo wakitamo nko kukiri nshobora nko kukiri otherwise like I told you ngo twine fully facilitated winery so twine na neje machine ariko basa kushwanyagura ibitoke tukabishuka muri yo
atukuvuka urugaha bituye mutombo rutoke mu applying abuta
eje fertilizer biosira ni tugitahari buri mutumba buri mutumba tujyana tutahone kedomora every after 6 months abo kubana bwe fertilizer chikwenda byo nyingi kandi nangwa even the community nkabariranwa ni ba benefiting for the on this biosira yes
so yeza jenko tazugurukokwe
munonga
so inko takuzukurugaha zitozambuka zitazo mu wine
hati tu hanike bitoke bibemeneke tubiteka mu mizi tuyihamwisha ndiye nyenshakaresha ngeri wine
ne store nungi yo kuza kutereza reka tutunge omukugu biogas atwereze lineage yo no kwe kutambura then later otugambere umwami Innocent twakwakira Sky TV iramusi abariyo bakureba
webare kandi abatebekana saba Sky TV kandi okubasa kuyija kutayira umucekeki mukareba system zito kuzukora abaturikize ninga bakutureba amazina nabanyita cyama Innocent ndi director wa Inozi Uganda Company Limited Inozi wa director wa Inozi Uganda Company Limited kandi turipatana na ba Biogas Solutions Uganda and SNV. Yes.
Biogas age ne koleta tutandikira hamasha wagiho mufamu.
Yes. Biogas age ne kintu kirunje munonga bayizawe abantu abatakatungire biogas oyinente aferirwe cyango utakatungire biogas age. Abo kuba amashagawe oyinente ningo yinempunu ningo yinenkoko. Ebyo ezo nyamisho azitwasa kuyamamasha agakuturira twatunga biogas. Konka mene tukira koresa agenda abo kwanzo zikanyire munonga ombarisa. So agente amashagente ko kweza gatunga wagiho mu omurugo rwawe ogareto gateka aha mwana gukunda futeka ho biogas nkogu wamara kugatekaho otimbe kina istikuba tukupimire nkatekinuko twamara kukitimbe kineco tucombeka oteka amashagawe ogatabara amamizi ninga shenkari gazo mu kine kitwayombeka garugamu gazo mu expansion chamber gakwereza gas. Yes.
Basic practices zaho ni zihano taburota tugagenda mu burufa manya kugahiko muri iki.
So agamasha ko kugarundana abo kwana go bufuko stokaza ngo gajije n'ibinyansi birugemu ningaci ko ngatwantu tabura amasha oyine kureba ngo nuba nutabura orukwihame ibinyansi ibyo byomere ninga amashaga gumere ugihamu asigara gorobi ago kubasa kutabara gakaba nko bushera twena twarashigishira bushera wabana busiyangirira isyanga no bano wihamentura ubwiziriya so nabana utabara amasha umukakemba kita karyaruguraho no bano utabara urukwihamu enturubwezo na nebinyansi kugira ngo bitakazamu ubundi bikigaza pipe ntikimango nibijunda kongana bitwara hakanya nibasa kuzamu wabere kabizemu byigaze pipe oshanga amashagitu gatatambaraje. Yes.
So aho naho kumixingira system netambure etoku nobo kugitushobora
aha so kutukweza kutimbe kine ate for example nkeji agenda just mpango eyitwaye kiraha ahabwo mucyaro gwo kugira ngo akana akora wine agenda kamasho biogas ningashi biodigest mpango yitukira kombeka mu stations agenda 45 cubic meter neba ine diameter ya futi 25 dene kinano round futi 25 ahansi no futi 12 so eje mixing chamber ya area higuru tukateka mu pipe erekuragara futi 12 zina abagambira pipe yaguma higuru twagicara twayembeka hakato ako kutabara amasha ekinyungu twombeka inyungu abarebere inyungu ezo basisira ubushera niyo twayembekiro kwa hansi ayitwemerira aha turya higuru ikinyungu cya futi 25 diameter ekine kinani bagambira nico twemera higuru tuza kucombeka tucheza kukitimba tucombeka tukitaba kiguma hansoko ekikuma sangana na higuru nabasa kora hendije meromere temporary kutungira ho nkembuzi nabasa kutungira ho bime ahiguru y'ikintu aha ekitwayombekere so mwana gwa nuguba gutafa busha
hinga ho nemboga
hinga ho nemboga ebinzi mhango yo kwate kintu hanzo hinga hemboga hinga ho cabbage no hinga ho entura hinga ho za karotsi nebindi na za dodo oshangiyo na n'umucanda no we nemboga abantu bebuza ubwembogo wekazitahwayo konkana bayisirare erukubane rugomo.
Yes. Ke kurwo mu kinyungu cy'inda n'ibindi binyungu hari inda
so atwareba ngo erana mixing chamber aha amashaga kutahira twemeriye aha digester niyo tukurebeje nka main switch kandi arubajoru ni expansion chamber aha amashaga kushobora gwakweza kushobora gazo mu compost pit hariya hifaho compost pit ejo nebane kuyamba collecting amashago no gitwarayo iwe yihamu oteko mu rutoke nkabaye fertilizer wabutungire empunu ohereze empunu wabutungire nkoko ozihereza zirya ninga wabone fish pond ejo bayisirare nebane kuyambaho mwene 85% ya biogas tujine aha bio fertilizer
ne cyentano so kiheke ina har fertilizer zindi abo kubano shayo kandi ertu organic nacho
ejeri organic eco kubanza yeji nco kurerana n'ubukoko tubukubasa kuzaho kugira ngo azo kishobora ningaki eji ncumasa ngo fertilizer mekirisa ecyarugiro mu mashagente konka eco kubasa kwereza n'enkoko zikarya okahereza n'empunu zikarya okahereza n'ebyenyanja nabyo bikarya so wabano ogiteka ha mutumba ngo bangutunge kirisa eco so iyo ntugete yo mutano abo kwa yene kane koraho direct kandi nobutine mu doubt kugira ngo mumwe yagendera umunko unkorwo yo kubasa kwija kushisha mutumba abo kororwo ya warukoze isomo kuteka kuriya njumasa ngaza kushobora gashobora gataro mu gas
webale munonga omwami Innocent emboze nungi Innocent yagikwereza twaza kweyongera yo kureba value addition twareba ebyo kwetaga kororo tokirwo rukabonera one of them is biogas akuba noiza kutunga mu fertilizer erukwetagisa hati twaza kugenda tugaruke twigita mucyara tugambira ku bitoki byeye byaheza kweraje mbwene hati value addition na izayongeraho hata omutindo togito mucyeka kitu cya kabiri.
Sky TV Irakari abantu.
Don't be a crocodile, don't be a crocodile, don't be a crocodile. It's Wonders time, it's Wonders time, it's Wonders time, it's now. Baby jelly, hey. Habo jelly, hey.
Please don't make us leave my hair.
Hair shampoo, Wonder. Always beautiful, Wonder. So beautiful. Wonder. Life is beautiful with wonders everywhere.
Don't be a croco. Say no to imperfections and hello to a new world of wonders. Wonders, always wonderful.
Sky TV Irakari abantu.
Webale mnonga akuruka yumukahumurako urikiriya ha program yitu eyo muhinji no mulisa kandi atwarga kuriya umurutoke twareba biogas system oheru kutandikira erutoke twabireba babihinga byija hati twaza kureba okongeraho mutindo abitoke ebyo kandi uko kwemerera kuta n'ubukora nureba hati nyemerera mu factory igin factory ya wine hiba kwiza bakagibika wajango igin fermentation room
fermentation room is the other side where you saw the tanks.
Okay, hati turiyo ko mundo mu factory byona nabako bitushobora tukine omcyarugu ariyo nathemboze kutwarwa mu rutoke rwitu ebitoke byitu ntubitebekana sa tutakwika ayiturya
Webale sebo tuyine ripening room aho tukwanika ibitoke twamara kubirita then tuyine peeling and measuring room tukubyihayo tubipirire twamara
mu kutondora
hato tubiho mu rutoke then tuyine tukutorana the best pieces ibyo kwanika tubita ripening room twarwo mu ripening room byamara kusya tuyine tukubitondorera where we call measuring and peeling room then twarugaho tuzo mu processing room beno aho tukubitekera tutondore imineke tujimeasuringa then tutamamizi according to the kilograms. We do a ratio of 1 kilogram of bananas, 1 liter of water.
No mutora n'ibitoki kugira ngo ikintu cyo kirungi no mu banyango birimo kutorana kugira ngo ikintu kibitu kinage tutwareke.
Yes, they have to be very nice looking bananas. Ibwe n'umuneke gwo kurya bukajya togunshimire kuba ningutondora nkagurya nigo tukukozesa.
Ebihireke
Ebihireke mbwe nuko kumuneke kuba guhire. so twine rejects kuyaho izo rejects kuba tuyira mu rutoke nitugaruka tuzikurashinga tuzituma biogas
negaruka biogas connectinga hatiya kandi bimwe yakun mugaruka mu bituma biogas
it's a cycle so nitureta ibitoke tubihanaka bisya tubikamura hate bitwakamura mu biriya nabyo tugaruka tubitayo ingana rejects kuba twihira mu rutoke bitakurebekaje tugaruka tubikurashinga we have a rubbish crusher tubigarura mu biogas
ibyo nabyo nibigaruka byiza ko bikora nkamasha bikwereza biogas
yes nibikwereza biogas nibikwereza gas yonyine yo kuteka ibyo bitoke bya wine
ikikumesa ngo kubotine ente zikumara ibyo bintu nibibasa kusigara bikwa gas
yes whatever is green as long as tarimo mushenyi tarimo bitaka any green matter ni bizamo ni bikora gas we crush them and put in the biogas plant kuyaha abantu tibakamanyira kakoryo ni batina mwe namashara nago nkamanya to kumaraga gakwata nago nogeganya but finally what comes out ni kiba kiri very perfect bikonuka no bikwata muningamizi ningani ko bushira bwenyine so nothing should be wasted so twaheza kubitondora twabipema twateka mizi nabyo twabitamu byamara byamara kuboilinga we have these pasteurizers ezezi nizitoreka ibitoke byagira bageta boiling point eri kwingana ki so kubikweza kuboilinga tubiconnectinga na neriya filtration machine y'imwareba so juice rugamu tugita in one of the tanks or two of the tanks depending on how much juice so twija tugireka staying out for 3 days tucheza we have pumping twine pumping machines mbene kuriya kutandika kutondora tukwata bitoke twani tubiha umurutoke then byamara kubemeneke tukubikwata because we even train our people on how to peel these bananas tabikwasireho then byamara kusya these things are electronic so kubiza kubyiha muri yakubita mu frustration nibikozesa amashanyarazi bigumiza it is a running thing
omukukola wine cleanliness ni kikuru
munonga nico washangira ngukihawije twinemeneke twinejuisi konkato karebire tinshengera
akabaho ki
I think generally we care we emphasize on the cleanliness of the place. Okay. And we have enough water like I told you. Hagira hakayatika kajuisi akawaini umuneke to making sure ngo twahaboneza.
Turebe umukora wine ibintu bikwetagisa ibikuru nibiha. Ibyo kubyo tate kineki. Namunongi mabarwa numukora buru bitoke byona ninga bine mu specific.
Kwetagisa umunanko mukora wine iki ni bitoke.
Numukoresa miza gateke.
Tukozesa agamizi gakuteka ibitoke nitugateka. Then agitukozesa for cleaning wherever and whatever utensils ningana n'amacupa tukozesa sterile water. Sterile water. We have a sterilizing machine for the water.
Processage ni mangu neningo. Konko muntu nabasata kumanya hati wine yanje bonire wine nungi nogimanyota.
Wine nungi mwenu nkahimwa ichiromo. If this wine wasn't good, can't anikane for that case. Timwa kubire mu kirumu ahimwa ikiramu. Mukabire mwatandikire no kukurira na headache muhurira those very strong and tough force orders abamuri mwitu mukunywa amarwa konka when you come in it is very friendly to kukurira muna kantu we make sure where there is this juice where there is this wine is completely sealed and covered well covered so wine nonjorede ko kutahamu ojihurira watahamu nono huramu kakas kind of sweetness kakutaho munyindo konka katari that bad konka wine eri kubiya uri contaminated because ahitwa hika tukujya mu turantukore ibintu perfectly tukatandika bimwe wine nenuka ubundi neshara hamaraka ubundi neshara ningo tutahamu ubundi ureba hariho nkazatinshengera konka nsima ruhanga nango na government ukitukarugayo So we were very many people and very many groups which are making wine, is banana wine in this region, but we were among the chosen few, and we went to Thailand for training. So to join training n'abandi bantu, whether from within Bushenyi or outside Bushenyi.
So mwahangura,
and we got a grant. So government ya coordinating na UNIDO, and we got a grant whereby our plant was improved. Bimwe nkebi bitangisa bimwareba tukaba tutabyine.
Nobuberera habwa system
kechirinche, but now we are big.
Amachupaga no gayihaye.
Unfortunately or fortunately agamachupa ni tugatora aganda bagwira bagatora agandi abantu bahurire ni business like in Kampala niyo tukubwiha konkati twine specific bottles tukozesa ngo ziryaho ziriho konka nushange mwini ningwa kuko mwareba ndijo ningufe muri green ndijo white, so that is quite challenging. Abako hato umuntu yaje ati nyende cupa 10 zikwingana tuba tutazini. We take 6 months kugira ngo be yabire kimwe wine refine rije munonga ibirungo byakwasire muje. After 6 months, that's when we siphon it, then we start putting on the market. Konka market tukujirukangira gukuba already ntuba twine wine nkuru, and the older the wine is, the better for consumption.
Ahe koma kutura hone koma kubanunji.
Nyero koma kubonera, that's the history of it. Kandi chindi we are informed wines don't expire. That's why in most cases think I have tried to research on it. Think arebaga expiry date ha wine. Kuyabone bakubasa kore ko bukuru bwayo kunkatse bakugira ngo yahise imyaka 15 ninga 20 no discarding.
Ni business yo gukora ukaba patient.
No ba patient wine tukagitanika 2008. Kongo kutanika kuguza, it was after 2 years. Kandi tukatandikana na wine nje munonga ejirikani zinkina bitoke nka 2, but now we have the capacity of containing 6,000 liters of wine at a time.
Ate bibitanka byona byizwire.
It of course byizwire kandi bikabire kwijura. Aho kuba hatokora kwituni kuce munonga because of some challenges. Otherwise, anyway, we are not supposed to make wine to keep. We are supposed to make wine to sell. What we do is do first in, first out. Konka kuno jangu twino bushobozi. Tukabiri ntugikorayo na at once kakaga iguma negenda ntwongeramo.
Hine kingonda kwetegereza. Ebitoke wajango byona nibasa gukora mu wine. Uwaheza ku bihisa byona katujengo ejuru mbogo yana basa kubitabura n'ibitoke bya burijo na kabaragara konka byo no mukora process neshana.
Process neshana. Ebitoke bitutakagerezeho ni gonja, but the rest of the bananas nukora wine finally production yona nebaneshana na product nebaneshana.
Na usango tine tanso kunyoka mayango jine yabo kwa.
Ine tanso finally byona nebani bishana. I think we even have these special tanks for wines. Is the way they contribute to making things uniform. Otherwise, omukubanda tukatwine plastic tanks is a blue, is a black, inangwana neza white. So mwe bikaba bitashana. Konka ko kubito mu those tanks ushangane bishana. Yes.
So abariyo bakureba a Sky TV aturukwendera nyobahereza buhabuziki na munonga bakuteka kutandika ka business.
Abari kutandika kuteka business eji is very well paying. Kandi chikuru munonga ebitoke abantu bagiye. Wine consumption abantu bitu bonka bari iga tutandika kunywa wine. Then na nesente zirumu abo kuba kitoke chuwa kuguzire mutwaro kuchuwa kugurizo mutwaro finally no chia mujerikani ya wine ijerikani ya wine finally amwiru gwa byona ndujyame mutwaro 20 so no byakubimazire emyaka 2 since yare umutwaro gumwe kiyamwe umutwaro 20 nuko ziri sente. So I for one I would really encourage other people to come into this thing. Abakuba bitocha babyine amizi bagine. Then maybe itwabarugiremo bagira higuruho. We are consultants. Let people not fear us. We are very free, flexible, and we can encourage and train them on how to make money out of this.
Webale Munonga, mchara Francisca Kamanzi. Wamuhura abokuba egi project nyuharu bumpereraha hatukuna yakayichisha n'ikintu kire. Njima isangu tashutamire amana yongire natamu okomekinga sure ngo business yakura buli zoba. Value addition. His Excellency na kigamba buli zoba tuyino kongera umutindo aha bintu ebitwine. Tureke kukwata ebitoke tukabitema nko bugire obugiroho ebitoke byeziro kashanga umuntu nagabe ebitoke nanagokwe ngo mweru kandi ubwo hato umweru we naba narebera kimwe bitoke no kubura buzire kuba nende byo kunyunga kuyamu wine omutwaro gumwe kuyame mutwaro 20 aho kuba ikidomora yajya nakiguze mutwaro 20 kandi nabakitiremo mutwaro gwa Uganda gumwe agamagoba no bugagobo myaka 2 no sigaro rukora business. Nabanyeta Edmond principal farmer and yomuhinja atakwata muitaka de kambe gite sabi terkwisha. We have to keep African hopes alive.
Sky TV irakari abantu.
Emyezi 3 ekiki go wangula nsasula emyezi 3